Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go in with another brown sugar box unboxing. I haven't done it I didn't do it in November. Yes, that was the only month I missed. But I'm coming to you with December and I'm gonna try to keep up with it because I'm actually not gonna get rid of this subscription. I'm really enjoying it. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and run with it. So today's box, as I said, is December's box. I'm gonna have the little Nubian princess on top. Really nice. Now the contents of this month's box are pretty cool, pretty interesting, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like them as well. So what I will do though is to put the information down below in terms of the contents of the box, in terms of how to subscribe, and the cost to subscribe. Keep on watching and I'll go ahead and show you what it is that I got for December. So the first item I got, which is the usual, I've been seeing it more since my first box, is the book, the little booklet that they give you little articles and they also tell you what exactly is in the box. Now again, well, it's December, so you will see Christmassy stuff. It also, as I said, it tells you what's inside of the box and the value of the box. This month's box value is $138. Different articles. This is the 2018 year in review. These are actually pretty cool. These articles are really, let me see, yeah. This one is about the princess and the prince. This one is about Jada and her family. You know, the red, what's it called again? The red table that she has, that little, the show that she has that runs on Facebook. What movies to watch. It's a really good book. It's a really good book. If I could read it through for you, I'm pretty sure I actually would, but this is really nice. A really nice addition to the box. I'm happy that I'm happy that I actually started to get them. Makes sense. Alright, so the first item I got is a satin lined beanie hat. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Yes, it's lined on the inside. I'm pretty sure this is for them, you know, for us girls who, you know, we don't want our hair to dry out. I'm gonna put it on, you know, why not? And it's so cute too. It's very cute. We don't want our hair to dry out. We wanted to give it some little, you know, a little flair, a little something, a little softness. And I like this. I really do like this a lot. This is so cute. Maki, this is not something that I will be wearing here in Jamaica. If you don't know, I am Jamaican. I live in Jamaica. Yeah, this is not something for us, but I shall be keeping it whenever it is that I do travel. I like this. This is very cool and it's very comfortable too. The color of it is actually navy blue. Now the next item that I got was this. This is a fall fur collar. I think this is cute. I feel very bougie. Now it has a button and it has the little hook on the other side to put it together, and this is how it looks. Darling, it feels so good. Feels so good. I'm telling you, whenever it is that I do travel again, if it's not, well, before the summer, because you know, like in the US it's a little bit cold now still, so if I do travel anytime soon, this and the hat will be coming with me. Yes, I gotta keep these, you know, keep my neck warm and this beautiful hair, you know, all moist and stuff. Yeah. But this is really, really nice. It feels really awesome. It's black. Love it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, so the next item I got in my box is the usual, a shirt, as you should know. All the boxes come with shirts, because once you subscribe they ask you for your shirt size, your t-shirt size, and my t-shirt size is medium. So this is the shirt that came in it this for December. Fa la 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 flawless. Yes, and this color is really, really pretty. The colors are what hits me all the time and they're so comfortable. I wear them anywhere, everywhere. So the next item I got in the box is a wallet, a leatherette trifold wallet. Now this is what it looks like. The typical wallet, and it's gray. Yeah, nice as compare. And they gave me a $5 $5 off lizzieandliv.com. Now they do sell these t-shirts that I do have online. They sell them on their website. So if it is that you're interested, they also have cups and like mugs. They have tumblers, different kinds of accessories that are really cool. I haven't purchased any yet. I am intending to, because they have a water bottle that I'm interested in. Yes, I have a lot of water bottles. I love those kind of things. So yeah, so this is definitely going to come in handy for me to go ahead and purchase that water bottle. I'll be getting $5 off, so they gave me money in my purse. It has a little trinket on the side, and it has Izzy and Liv written on it. Very cute, very nice. Okay, so the next item I got in my box is this necklace set. This is the Juicy Jeweled set. This is pretty cool. It's a nice little fashion jewelry. The green is really gorgeous. It's something that I definitely wear. Maybe not the earrings, because since I cut my hair, well, I've had my hair cut for a very long time. I've never really been into wearing long earrings, like drop earrings like these, unless it's a loop. I don't know. It just looks funny to me, but I guess I'll get back into it. I'll try it. But this is really pretty. The green is nice. Oh, I'm just saying, it wasn't planned. It wasn't planned. But this is cute though. I like it. It looks like it has that drop vibe. So, you know, maybe if I had on like a nice black dress that has a deep cut, I could put this in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, this will be worn. Definitely. So the last item, last but certainly not least, is a bucket bag. A leatherette bucket bag. It's the same color as my as the wallet that they gave me. Let me push it open. It's very cute. It's a small bag. Something to just put together on a Saturday. This is it. Spacious and puts inside. Yeah, it's simple, cute. It's just a nice, as I said, it's a nice little bag you can put over your shoulder, sling it across your shoulder, and be out the door on a Saturday. You just drop your purse in and whatnot. Yeah, I like this. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for coming back and watching this. If it is that you do like these kind of videos, which is my subscription box, my subscription unboxings, give me a thumbs up. You can let me know down below if there's, you can actually suggest any subscription box that you'd like for me to try, because I mean, I can actually, as long as it is that that subscription is something that I can unsubscribe from without an issue, I will definitely try it for you guys. I love trying new stuff, you know this. Yeah, I'm willing to try. Listen, just give me a challenge and I'm up for it. I'm up for it. But yeah, this is the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, I do love the items from my box. I'm anxious to see what it is that they're going to be giving us in January here, 2019. It should be interesting. It should be a fun year. But yeah, thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Oh, this look, y'all will see it shortly, maybe on the channel before or after this video, but look out for it. Bye guys.